In this video, I'm going to show you some awesome ways that anyone can use to make money this Black Friday weekend. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Liam James Kay. This channel is all about making money online, entrepreneurship and marketing. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. Today's video is all about how you can make money this Black Friday weekend. Black Friday weekend is almost upon us. It's the biggest spending weekend of the year. And there's two types of people on Black Friday. There's people that spend crazy amounts of money and there's people that make crazy amounts of money. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be one of the people that makes crazy amounts of money. The strategies that I'm going to share with you in today's video, I have personally used myself to make money online. So I've not just gone on Google and gone ways to make money on Black Friday and then I'm just reading out a list. These strategies I have actually used and they work. And I know that they work even better during Black Friday because I've got a few little tips and tricks to really maximize profit during this crazy spending weekend. So make sure you keep watching until the end because this video is going to be jam-packed with different ways and strategies that you can use to make money during Black Friday weekend, but actually going forward in the future as well, because these strategies work all year round, but particularly well during Black Friday weekend. Now, the first strategy that I want to show you is affiliate marketing. If you watch this YouTube channel or you follow me on social media, you'll know that a large chunk of my income comes from affiliate marketing. I make multiple six figures every year from affiliate marketing, so I know that it's a super profitable way to make money online. But it's even more profitable during Black Friday weekend if you find the right offers and the right deals to promote. So I'm going to show you now some products which have got some epic Black Friday deals on at the moment, and you can sign up to them as an affiliate and promote them and leverage their Black Friday deal, their products, their sales funnels, and make some money during Black Friday. I've got some e-commerce products as well, which pay out crazy commissions, and some digital products, which I'm going to share with you in this now. So the first product that I want to show you that you can promote as an affiliate this Black Friday is none other than my six-figure affiliate bootcamp. So I've got a six-figure affiliate bootcamp training course, if you don't already know. It currently sells for $997. It's my intensive training course, which teaches you all about affiliate marketing. Currently sells for $997. During Black Friday, I've got a special offer on where I'm selling it for just $197. Now, if you want to make money during Black Friday, you can sign up to be an affiliate for my bootcamp. It's free to be an affiliate. Sign up to be an affiliate. If you share the link to my bootcamp and someone signs up during this crazy deal, which is going to convert like crazy because it's $800 off. If people sign up and purchase, you're going to get 50% commission per sale, which is around $100 for every sale that you make. And this is your opportunity to leverage my done for you sales funnel, which I've spent a lot of time putting together, my testimonials, my special Black Friday deal, and you can make the same amount of money as me per sale. So it's a great opportunity. If you do want to sign up to be an affiliate, just click on the link below in the description and it's free to be an affiliate. You can also, if you want, grab this deal for yourself for $197. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link to it in the description and you can get early bird access to that even before Black Friday, before it goes public. But yeah, sign up as an affiliate if you want to share this for free and make some commissions. I also do have some training as well when you sign up to be an affiliate to help you share your link, get your link out there and promote it, as well as some done for you promotional materials as well to make it even easier to make some money while you're promoting my course. But as well as courses and products like this, digital products which you can make money from during Black Friday, another great type of product to promote during Black Friday is e-commerce products. It's just before Christmas, people are buying gifts and a lot of people are buying physical gift products for people or for themselves during Black Friday. So if you can be an affiliate for those types of offers, you can make some good money if you find the right offers. Now, a lot of people think that one of the main websites to be an affiliate for like physical e-commerce products is Amazon, but Amazon only pay out like 5% commission or 10% commission for every sale that you make. And I don't mess around with tiny commissions like that. So I'll show you this website, which I use to sell e-commerce products, and you get paid at like 70% commission per sale. It's this website here, Matrix, M4TRIX.network. It's free to join as well. It's basically an affiliate program where they've got lots of e-commerce products like gadgets and phones and things like that. And they let you become an affiliate for them. And they give you like 70%, I think it's like $70, $60 for every sale that you make. And they actually make the profit on the upsells, but you can make some good commissions from this. But at the moment, they've got a Black Friday sales funnel, which you can leverage. So it's this one here. Let's go to tracking links. Go to this. So here, it's basically like a blog post type listicle with lots of Black Friday deals on. But the Black Friday deals, which are on this page, are actually products on Matrix. So you get your affiliate link for this blog post and it's already got your affiliate links inside. So if you share it with someone, which I'm going to show you how to promote in a minute, someone signs up and purchases through this blog post, you're going to get $60, $70 per sale. So this is the post here. So it's basically like giving people incredible gadgets that everyone's talking about in 2019, 50% off Black Friday deals. And it's got like this keyboard, these earphones, this phone, this drone, which I've promoted in the past and made some good commissions from. And if someone clicks on this, it takes them through to a checkout page with all this Black Friday branding, so it's going to convert well, and you get the commissions. So that's a great thing if you want to promote e-commerce products, but you don't have your own e-commerce products, or you don't want to deal with drop shipping and things like that. You can make $70 per sale with this. Now, the best ways to promote this, I would say, is create a YouTube video about Black Friday. So if you go to YouTube, I checked this out before, and search Black Friday deals, you can see that videos that I only just posted 2 days ago, 50,000 views, 1 day ago, 62,000 views, 1 week ago, 147,000 views. And these videos are just Black Friday deals for 2019. So people are looking for Black Friday deals on YouTube. So what you could do is you create a YouTube video about, say, top 10 Black Friday deals of 2019. In that video, you could either just literally screen record this page and just go through these offers and talk about them, or you could talk about other Black Friday offers which are on, and then also mention these offers on this page and leave the link in the description. Now, obviously, there's no guarantee that you're going to rank to be the top video, but it's definitely worth a shot. I actually do have some YouTube training inside my 6-figure affiliate bootcamp, which I talked about earlier, that teaches you how to rank videos, which you can take advantage of if you've purchased that. But yeah, put your video out there, good keywords, you want to get good keywords, and you might get people watching it, and if it goes viral, you could make an absolute mint, and it's definitely worth a try. The other strategy which you can use to promote this type of page is Google Ads. I've talked about this on my YouTube channel before. There's also training about it in my course, but people are searching for best Black Friday deals 2019 in Google. So all you do is you create a Google advert called Black Friday deals 2019 with a link straight through to your affiliate link to this. People search for it, people click on it. Now, I'm not sure what the cost per click is going to be during Black Friday, but if you only make one sale on here, you're going to make $70 per sale, and it might convert well. It's definitely worth a try if you've got a bit of budget to run for adverts. You could also use Bing ads as well if you've got less of a budget. The next strategy which I want to show you to make money on Black Friday is CPA marketing. I've talked about this on my YouTube channel before. CPA marketing is very similar to affiliate marketing, where you're sharing an affiliate link to a website, but rather than making money every time someone actually purchases the product, some websites actually pay you out every time you get a lead. So every time someone opts in or enters their email address, they might pay you out $1, $2, $3. Or if they enter a competition, they might pay you out $1, $2, $3. So it's a good way of making money. I've made quite a bit of money from this in the past. I've done videos about it, as I said. But if you actually go to Max Bounty, they have some Black Friday offers. So it's the perfect time to promote them during Black Friday. So this one here, which I just looked at earlier, is a PayPal $1,000 debit card, which they're giving away. I think it's a competition. Every person, you sign up to this on maxbounty.com, every person that enters this competition, they're going to pay you out $1.60 per lead. And it leads through to this page here. They just enter their details. They make their money by upselling little things later on or selling the information, I don't know. But you make $1.60 for every person that enters this. the best way to promote these types of offers is with super cheap traffic. So one good cheap traffic strategy is push notification ads. So this is Propeller Ads, is one that I've used in the past. And basically it's an ad network, but they have people on their database that have opted in to receive push notifications on their phone, so or on a laptop as well. So what you can do is actually run a campaign on Propeller Ads and promote this Black Friday offer via push notifications. Now, push notifications is a bit hit and miss. They don't always convert, because when you get a random push notification, a lot of people think, why am I getting a random push notification off this random company I've never heard of? It's a load of crap, or it's a scam. But if you're doing it on Black Friday with a Black Friday offer, there's kind of more of a reason for them to have received that push notification. So the conversions will be higher than normal if you take a Black Friday offer. So that's why I think it's a good strategy to do on Black Friday. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about setting up push notifications in this video because it's a full video to itself. I do have a mini course on cheap traffic sources, which includes Propeller Ads, in the description below if you want to check that out, if this is the strategy which you want to learn more about. The next strategy which I want to show you is good old-fashioned retail arbitrage. Now, I've done this a long time ago. I've not done it for a while, but it is a great way of making money online, especially during Black Friday. So obviously you're going to need a bit of a budget to do this. And the strategy is, if you don't know, it's basically going out to local stores and local shops. You can go on here and you can find out which stores have got the best deals on. So in the UK, we've got Argos, and there's obviously Amazon and stuff like that, and Currys, that have got good deals, that have reduced their prices for their products. And what you do is you just go and purchase them for that lower price. And then you wait until Black Friday is over and the sales are over, and then you resell those products. And you can resell them on Amazon, you can resell them on eBay, or you can even resell them on other like classified websites and things like that. And you can make some good bit of money from this. Now, there's a risk that you might not be able to sell the products, but you can. Usually, if you buy products during Christmas period, they give you an extra long return policy. So if you look here, it's got the Christmas return policies. Most of them are extended until the end of January because people buy people gifts and they don't give them. Usually it's like 30 days return policy, but they extended it until the end of January, which means that you could buy some products, try to sell them before the end of January. If you don't sell them before the end of January, you can take them back to the original retailer and get your money back. So that's one strategy which you can use. Obviously, it takes a bit of work. There's shipping and things like that, but it is a good strategy if you just want to make some money during Black Friday. A good website which you can check out to see the prices of things, to see whether you're actually getting a good deal, is this one here called camel.com. And basically, you can search products. I think it's based on Amazon prices, and you can see whether the prices go up and down, because you find a lot of retailers actually increase the price before Black Friday and then drop it down. So you might not actually be getting that good of a deal. But if you check out this website, it shows you. So here we've got, you can just check out this. It says this lawnmower is £89 at the moment. And then you can check the prices. So like in May, it was selling for £340. And now it's £89. So you got a good deal. And obviously it might go even lower during Black Friday. So if you want to play the long game, you could buy it for $89 or maybe cheaper during Black Friday. Wait until summertime next year, if you can wait that long, and sell it for $300, and you're going to make some good money. There's other apps, I think, which you can use to do retail arbitrage, so you can go and scan products inside shops. I mean, I don't do this myself, I'm not going to lie, at the moment. But check it out. There'll be other YouTube videos on how to do this, and people that do this for a living. I've seen them before. So go and check them out. But yeah, it's just another strategy to make money during Black Friday. The next strategy that I want to share with you to make money during Black Friday is reselling PLR products. So I've done a video on this recently with my $1 cash machine strategy. And basically, I've got a slightly tweaked version for Black Friday, which I want to share with you today. So if you didn't watch that video, you can go and check it out. I'll leave a link to it around this video. But ultimately, what the strategy is we sign up to this website called IDPLR. You can sign up for free. And on it, it's a marketplace full of digital products like ebooks, video courses, and things like that. And we can actually sign up to it and get the rights to these products that other people have created, and we can sell them ourselves and make profit. We make 100% per sale because we've signed up to this website. We've got full rights to them. So it's not affiliate marketing. It actually gives you the opportunity to create your own offer with someone else's product. And this works really well during Black Friday if you create a good offer. So I'll show you, this is the sales page which I created for Black Friday to sell products from IDPLR. So if you watched the previous video, you'll know that my first product which I was promoting was an ebook which we were selling for $1, and then we were upselling because you want to get the customers in. Because it's Black Friday, I wanted to lead with a much more higher quality product on the front and give an even bigger discount because people are expecting to be saving a lot of money during Black Friday. So I think you can get away with offering a higher ticket product at the front, but reducing the price drastically. So that's what I've done here. I got this video training course from IDPLR. It's all about Amazon FBA. And basically, I added a bit at the top saying Black Friday sale. Use coupon code Black Friday to save $180. So someone comes here, there you go. It says it's $200. They type in Black Friday, they click apply, and the price goes down to $20. So you're giving someone a great deal, and we're gonna make $20 per sale. So just like in the previous strategy, one of the best ways to promote this is with Instagram influencers. You just reach out to Instagram influencers that have got pages in a certain niche like Amazon FBA, ask them to share your Black Friday deal with their audience. You pay them $50 to share it. You make $20 per sale. It's a great way of making money. And because it's Black Friday and you've got a little coupon code, it will convert well because the offer is actually going to expire after Black Friday. There's a much higher chance of them converting. So yeah, if you want more detail on that strategy, as I say, go and check out the other video. Also, if you want the done for you template, which I use for this type of sales funnel, you can get that for free if you sign up for Kartra, which is what I host it on, which again, I will link in the description below if you want to check that out. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you found those strategies valuable, and I really do hope that you use some of them to make some money during Black Friday. Stop being a consumer and buying junk that you don't need, and actually start thinking like an entrepreneur and make money during these events like Black Friday. If you do try any of the strategies, let me know in the comments below how it goes. If you've got any questions, again, comment them below. I'm happy to answer any questions. And that's everything. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Until next time, cheers guys.